Today I'm going to show you how I perform a maintenance wash on my MX-5 RF. You can see from these clips that the car is fairly dirty as it gets driven quite a lot, but I try and look after it as much as I can. I always start with the wheels as they are the dirtiest part of the car. I use a wheel cleaner from a company called Built Hamber. I've used a few wheel cleaners in the past and I have to say this is the best one I've used so far. I spray it on a dry wheel and I leave it for a few minutes to loosen the dirt, and then I go in with a detailing brush to carefully remove the rest of the dirt. I use a bucket of water with a turtle wax shampoo, which does the job. I then use a microfiber wheel brush to clean the inside of the wheel. This is an optional step, but I always recommend doing it as it makes the wheels look a lot cleaner. Next, I use a brush to clean the tyres. The last step for cleaning the wheel is to give it a rinse with the pressure washer to remove all the dirt. And then I repeat the same process for the other wheels. Moving on to the bodywork, I begin by giving the car a rinse using the pressure washer to remove any loose bits of dirt. I use a microfiber wash mitt and the 2-bucket method to wash the car. One bucket is for the car shampoo and the other one contains a grit guard with water to help remove the dirt from the wash mitt as you're washing the car to prevent scratching the paintwork. I wash the car starting from the top third and then work my way down so that I clean the least dirtiest parts of the car first. After I have applied the car shampoo on all areas of the car, I give it a rinse with the pressure washer. I like to give the car a quick coating of wax, and my favourite product for this is the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. It's really simple to use as you simply spray it onto a wet surface and then use the pressure washer to activate the product. It produces really good water beading and it gives the paintwork that extra bit of gloss. I use a microfiber towel to dry the car and fold it occasionally to give myself more drying surface. The final step is to give the windows a wipe down using a glass cleaner. Here are some shots of the car after I've cleaned it. There's one last thing that I do which I didn't show in the video, and that is to apply some tyre gel to the tyres, which gives them a nice shine. I do this when the tyres have completely dried, but unfortunately I forgot to record it for this video, so maybe next time I'll show you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions just let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you all soon.